All right, party people, we just got a new project. Just picked this up. It's a 99 Honda CR125. Guy said he's owned it the last 15 years. This thing still has the stock pipe. I bet you it still has the stock muffler packing. The tires actually still look decent. He said it's been sitting 8 months. So I'm gonna get this thing down. In God we trust. I belong to Jesus. This guy just let Jesus take the wheel. So I'm gonna pull this down, power wash it, pull the carburetor off, get that soaking, clean out the tank. You can see it needs fork seals really bad. The rear shock is blown out too, but we'll get it off the truck, clean it up, and then see what we're looking at. Alright, I'll take one more good look at it before I clean it up. So these fork seals look terrible, and you can tell they were riding it with it leaking with all the dirt built up. Still has the stock pipe. When you turn it over, it didn't feel like it had the craziest compression, but it didn't feel like nothing at all. You can tell the pipe's been leaking here for a little while. But this one will clean up alright. Definitely needs the suspension rebuilt. And this sprocket actually looks decent. I put air in the tires and they both took air, so we'll see if they hold air. I have a new set of grips in the house. We'll see how it looks. Okay, we moved to the backyard. It's hot out today. Be in the shade. It's cleaned up pretty good. This stuff on the swing arm is always hard to clean off. I'll clean that up with some brake cleaner. It definitely looks a whole lot better. So I'm going to take the tank and the carb off. Let's see if we can get this fired up tonight. And we'll check the compression on it too. Got the side covers off. Drain the tank. And I was about to open up the carb. And I figured maybe the people want to see what's in there first look also. So the slide actually looks pretty clean. There's a little speck of dirt up there, but the needle, end of the needle where it sits in the jet, that all looks pretty good. So we're gonna pop this last screw out of the carb here and see what it looks like in the bowl. So I took the slide out of the top and just loosened the two clamps, and then I rotated the carb so it's easier to pull it out of there. Alright, it's actually not, there's definitely some oil that accumulated in there, but it's not terrible. I'm going to pull those jets out. If I can clean the jets out, I'm just going to spray it clean while it's on here. If I can't get the jets clean, I'm going to take the carb off and I'll soak it. But I just want to see if it runs. Okay, we cleaned out the carb, the jets, got the carb back on, got the airbox boot on all the way. I'm gonna call the store if they have a new air filter. I'm gonna go get one. Before you even try firing this stuff up, make sure it's got compression if you're not sure. This one I was able to turn it over pretty easy when I picked it up. Because you felt there was a little compression, but this, it's got, like right on that cusp of, oh, actually there you go. We got up to 120. This thing will definitely fire up. Anything I think like over 100 to 150, it should fire up. Alright, and that might even get better when you start it and the engine warms up. Alright, so I'm going to put some gas in that tank, put the tank back on the seat, and try to fire this up. Okay, it's all back together. Add a little bit of gas, not a lot of gas. Should be enough to start it, I think. Doesn't look bad. Stinks that rear shock is blown out, but let's see what happens. Oh, there's something else. The kill switch wire was cut. Where was it? Right here. Here's our kill switch. Gets it ripped out of there? I don't know. There's the button, but it ain't hooked up. Oh, I smell gas. I think the carb's leaking. Alright, the gas is definitely going down to the carb because it's... Oh, it's leaking out the drain too. Why is it leaking out the drain? Or is it just dripping off of there? It's strange. I'm gonna put a rubber plug over there for now. Actually, I'm not gonna plug that. That might... I swear that's the drain, but it might be a vent if the float's sticking. Let's kick it over and see what happens. Okay. Putting the choke on. Okay. Make sure it's getting spark. Seems to have a problem with that kill switch. So we had compression, we had fuel. Pretty sure. And this is wet. Doesn't smell like good gas though. It could be blowing shit in there from what was in the line or whatever I didn't get a chance to clean up. Let's see if that sparks. It's sparking. Let's put a little starter fluid in there. Hang on. I'm gonna spray a little right into the cylinder. Spray a little right into the cylinder and then onto the spark plug. And then we'll try to start it. Oh, sorry guys. Sometimes when these are sitting, you just need that initial start up and then it'll start running on its own. Oh, I'm already sweating. It's hot out here today. Okay. Oh, that was it. There you go. Like that. What time is it? What time is it? Well, it's 7 o'clock. I met this guy at 1:30. I'm gonna take some pictures. Put this back up on there. Not too shabby. Actually looks decent. Just the suspension needs love. That fired right up though. Sounded crispy.